welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do another makeup vlog, and I'm very excited about it because it's one of a wearable makeup look that you can actually do. Yeah, you can do it yourself. I'm going to turn my potato face into a french fries, and yeah, without further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you need to make sure that you have a clean face and tie up your hair using a ponytail and some hair clips. So we're ready to apply a foundation. I'm using a Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I'm blending it using a beauty blender. But you can use any makeup tools that you want. If you want to use a makeup brush, flat brush, it's up to you guys. And then after that, I applied some concealer from Says Lady because I do have a discoloration today and I'm not really happy with my skin color, so yeah. So I was just gonna blend the concealer using the same beauty blender that I used earlier to match my skin tone. Well, of course, I need to fill the gaps on my eyebrows and I need an eyebrows on fleek. So yeah, you know what to do. Next thing that I did is I applied some loose powder or setting powder under your eyes and also do the baking. I know this is not pastries or something like food, but they called it baking. So yeah, deal with it. The first eyeshadow color that I use is kind of nude, and that will be the base eyeshadow that we're gonna use before we make it like glam. Well, of course, you need to make sure that your eyeshadow is blended and they look the same. Okay, so the second eyeshadow color that I use is kind of dark red or maroon, and I just applied it on the outer corner of my eyelid, you know, just to do something like a smoky eye. But I'm not yet really sure with the look, but I'm just experimenting at this time. And just make sure that you blend the first eyeshadow color and the second eyeshadow color together. And then after that, the darkest, which is black. So I think this is the third color. Yeah, I'm not really sure if this is the last, but just apply it on the outer corner of your eyelid and make sure that they blend together. This is not actually the first time that I did a smoky eye, and I'm really loving it. Going back to the eyeshadow palette, just add some maroon eyeshadow color on top of the black one to make sure that they are blended. After that, I dust off the loose powder on my face. I always forgot what's the name of the cosmetic product, but you know, I know how to use them, but yeah. So after you dust off the loose powder on your face, going back to the eyeshadow palette, I just choose the dark brown to apply under my eye. After that is the contouring, just to, you know, make my face look smaller because I'm getting fat with this quarantine moment, so yeah. I also apply some of this powder onto my forehead to make it look smaller because my forehead is really big. After that, going back to the contouring powder, I choose the lightest powder that I do have here to blend everything on my face. And then don't forget your nose. I love to contour my nose. I don't have a really big nose, but I like to contour it to make it look smaller. I added some highlighter on the inner corner of my eye just to, add some spark. Okay, next thing, your eyeliner. So make sure that you are going to draw some wing eyeliner on the outer corner of your eye and make sure that they on flick. Well, I guess that you're thinking right now that why I did not talk on my video just on the intro, or why I did just the voiceover on this vlog. It's because I'm getting lazy, that's why I did a time lapse on this makeup tutorial. But I hope you like it, guys, and I was just really, quarantine really affects my daily life, making me so lazy. So next thing is the blush on. I actually put too much on a blush on, but I just blend it with some powders, so yeah. And then after that, I added some highlighters as well. This is a highlighter powder, and I applied some on my nose, on my upper lip, and also on the upper cheek. I don't know how they call that. And then after that, I applied some white eyeliner. It's a white eyeliner pencil from my mom, just to make my eyes look bigger. Okay. So yeah, don't forget your mascara after your eyelashes, just to stick them a little longer than usual. And then so yeah, this is the final step, I guess. Apply some lipstick. This is from Everbelena, and also I added some by MAC. And then yeah, my mouth is really big. Okay, I also draw some heart, just one heart on my cheek, just to feel cute. So lovies, this is the final look for the Asian baby girl. I know I'm not a baby, but I'm an Asian, so yeah, I hope you like it, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.